Icho, dicho, manamatere, sabuku manamat. I hope you all have a great Sunday and it's going well. I just want to respond to my Sekurumo Wikino Chivayo quickly. It requires a response because one's integrity, dignity, morals, values, and principles are critical. And when one crosses into that territory, you have to stand and be able to set the record straight. Let me set the record straight. At no point have I ever asked for a car from him. At no point has he bought me a car. I am the Zimbabwe Village Heads Association, and I have a certain car of a certain value, which I must have to be able to do my work. How the car got to me has nothing to do with him. If indeed it came from him, why did he not give me? You know, could Sekurangu another bling on the social media. And the kupasabu mota chini chawai ndonga chino shura ne munu wese. Kwa sabuku ndakawa bata manje sabuku abatu ne munu sabuku wanema principles wanema morals wanema values. Tosaka pandaka chair Mines and Energy Committee iri nyaya we Gwanda ndandri chairman ndichi expose. Chero ndichi waziva ndinoita basa rangu. If I felt I was conflicted, I would not do my job. I was never going to do it like I did with other sessions that we had. I'm a man of principle, whether you like it or not. And that must be known. And I challenge him. Kutisekuru, wisdom and intellect are one of each is critical for you to have. Do you have wisdom? No, you don't have. Do you have intellect? No, you don't have. A combination of having both is dangerous. You then do the things that you do. I have no issues on how you make your money. I have no issues on how you spend it. In fact, I wish I would have the money you have. With the wisdom and a bit of intellect, I think I'll do far much better. The time you decided to give the gift is wrong. There is a procession happening. There is a debate in Parliament on CAB 3. Why would you pick a member of Parliament to be able to do that? And not only that, that member of Parliament must also understand the standing orders of Parliament. You need to declare the assets, source of income. Clearly, that makes the whole process compromised. And Parliament now has got to issue a statement on this, or else people will believe Kutumakapi or marry foot in a Chivayo, who lacks wisdom and intellect. You must make sure in there's wisdom and intellect and so forth. So at no point have I ever asked you for a car. You know the truth. At no point have I ever I've spoken about the money you owe me, which you have not given me, which many people know. Are you with me? So to me, I think it is irresponsible of you, okay, to try and talk about the car issue. You know that. I have a voice note you sent to me, which I would not, it's not a recording. I have it, which are very clear in what you're asked to do. Are you with me? So to me, like the president of the Village Heads Association, I just don't drive any car. Ndino wando zandita zakawanda zamunoziva. Vandino rwanawa nema raptor. Ndino batwa. Saka ndakadaiwa indoda raptor. Ndoda raptor. Ndinoda raptor. Ndidi mota isingafambe. Ndoda raptor inofamba. Nekuti ndenge nchimanya. Ende ndingeda kuti nditize vanhu vari kunditandanisa. Chete. So that must be understood. Kuti imi muti ndakakukumbirai mota inini. Sekuru. Mukanditengera kunyepera vanhu. And kana mune evidence yacho ndipei. Kana marakidza evidence yokuti ndimakanditengera mota, then ndichakanda voice note yaya. So let's do that, and then let's allow the people to judge and to know who's telling the truth. Let me repeat this as I conclude. I am challenging you to show people kuti indaka kukumbira mota. Imimi mukatese mukandipa mota ndakukumbirai. Kana marakidza evidence ndozo kurakidzai, ndozo play a voice note ino contradicta zvese zvamuri kutaura izvi. Kuti imi kana matumwa nanikunu kwandinowana mota handine inako inini, changu kwana mota yandaida yakasvika mumaoko mangu, hamuna kundipa. Sekuru, people no more than bling bling, who would not want to give Themba this a kind public sabuko. Do you know it again? Do you know it? I'm not Rukutamba. So, per stage, Mandakenda Jingo Pat $100 in the career per Miss Universe. Saka, Mungato Dao Mimi Kuti, Mwone Kumuchindi Pao Makie Mota. Kasika na iripo mutayacho mchida kundipa. Maybe Makakanga no Guta must go and see Victor. Maybe Makakanga must go and see Victor. I'm ready to go and see Victor because Imota Zandotora Zandineta Basa. Rem village mangu ne nyika. Saka, I am more than happy to receive a car from you at any time. And I am not compromised because I'm not a member of parliament. Allow the process to sell smoothly without compromising any member of parliament. Honorable Matangira knows what to do. He cannot accept anything at this given time. There are processes and procedures to follow. Honorable Togaripi, the chief whip of ZANU-PF, spoke about it the last time. So did Honorable John Parads. You cannot take anything. Your timing is always wrong. Do it at some point. What you do with your money, how you get it, and the name now. Moyo. Understand this also. But in that challenge, kuti ragiza proof kunewanu, kundaka kukumbira mota mukandipa. Inindozo.